Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Just a quick video because I'm kind of all crapped out here today. I did a strategy session, and then this morning I had a training session for members for a little over an hour. So, but I wanted to show you Prometheus, not because really of what it did today, but because of what it might do tomorrow. I look at this, and the technical term for this that I just made up is a bull sandwich, where you've got, here's the bear meat right here, and it's kind of sandwiched between two slices of bread. Here it's kind of just use your imagination. A nice move higher, then a big slam down, and then finally another move higher as well from here. So I'm really looking at any move above 60 bucks as the beginning of another leg higher. Now, this stock has been trading in a pretty tight range. Bollinger Bands from just kind of from an absolute standpoint are still pretty wide, but when you look at the way this stock is traded, they're actually pretty narrow. So I think this is a good volatility squeeze, move higher last Thursday on volume. So now if the stock runs above 60, I would look to buy more. Okay, now members, over to the strategy session, you get to see the video that I did this morning, which was pretty intensive as far as what the market's doing now and where I think it's going, and then also the strategy session where I cover the solar sector in a lot of detail. So hope to see you there. Have a good evening.